Did you know some coffee machines whisper secrets from the past? In the dusty corner of Luna Brew, a Seattle cafe opened in 1927, sat an ancient espresso machine, brass levers etched with runes, imported from a forgotten Italian monastery. Barista Elena Vasquez, 28, discovered its curse on a rainy October morning in 2023. She pulled a perfect shot, crema golden, steam hissing just right. Her wish? End my endless shifts. Poof. The machine granted it, by making time loop. She brewed the same order for Grumpy Dave, 47 every 5 minutes. Chaos. Cups overflowed. Customers aged backward, screaming. Next perfect brew, rich kid Mia wished for Instagram fame. Backfire. Her face went viral as a pumpkin spice filter glitch, turning her orange for weeks. Then burly trucker Gus craved muscles like Schwarzenegger. He bulked up overnight into a 400-pound blob stuck in his booth, yelling for kale smoothies. Tension built. Elena's arms ached. Wishes piled up. 12 backfires in a month. Fights erupted. The cafe nearly shuttered. Until quiet artist Theo, 32, ordered a double ristretto. Precise, perfect. His wish? Help Elena chase her dream. She froze. Her unspoken heart. Paint murals, not pour lattes. No backfire. Colors bloomed on walls. Crowds surged. Luna Brew thrived. The machine hummed approval. Elena smiled. Wishes fixed. One honest brew at a time.